All right, so this is the final video of the checklist. If you're watching this video, that means you've gone through all the checks. You should be feeling good about all of your yellow, red, reds. And the purpose of this video is to help you make sure your topic sentence is well written and doing its job. So we have written topic sentences in the past. We know that there's always the same ingredients in a topic sentence. I'm going to have a preview of my main points. I'm going to have topic words. I'm going to have a tag. For reasons that we will talk about next semester, one thing you need to know is that the topic sentence you're about to write for this body paragraph does not need a full tag. Now you'll notice that this example does have the title in there and it has the author's last name, but we don't need the full like in the book blank by blank. That information is going to be in our essay, but it'll be in a different part, and we'll talk about that next semester. So for our purposes, we need to reference what book we're talking about or what text we're talking about, what theme we're talking about, and then probably we need to use words like word choice, tone, since those are important elements of our essay. So this is the body paragraph, the Odyssey body paragraph from the Mentor Text essay. And it is showing you how to craft, or it's giving you an example of how you can craft your topic sentence. So let's read it and see what it says. It says, beginning with the Odyssey, Lister reveals the theme of never giving up through the main character Odysseus and the way she uses specific words and tone to paint a picture of how he perseveres through his difficult journey home. So you'll notice this doesn't directly reference all three main points, but it does talk about he perseveres, right? And each of the main point examples in here is an example of him persevering to get home. And that kind of references and connects to the theme that this writer's talking about, which is never giving up. So yours, if it's talking about home or if it's talking about hospitality, it needs the word theme in it. And it needs your theme in there. So in this case, it's never giving up, but yours is going to be different. It needs the title of the book. It needs the author's last name. And it probably needs to talk about how the author is using specific words, specific tone to create that theme, to communicate that theme. Okay, if we have some sort of preview of the main points, we can do it the traditional way, right? So we could say, well, this theme is shown in the book when Odysseus does this, that, and the other, right? Or we can just do what this author's done here. This theme is shown in the book when Odysseus perseveres through all of his challenges on his way home, right? So whatever you want to however you want to format it, I would say use this example to kind of help you, and know that like it's a little bit different in terms of we won't need every ingredient we've always put in topic sentences before, because some of those ingredients will show up elsewhere.